You don't have a partner yet, but you want it, as many of us. Right now, after COVID, everyone wants not to be single, to have a partner. How you can do it? It's easy. First, go out. Second, go out on dates twice a week to test yourself, to see where your level is, to see what can the physical market can share with you and what can you find, and be prepared to meet not perfect people, just like you, just like me, just like everyone else. If you are searching the perfect partner, go anywhere else, because you will not meet such a person. So what to do next? When you are in a room, the unconscious mind has scanned all the people, but you will just have to do the work, you have to do the communicating, you will try to make it like a game to collect rejections. Each evening, let's say, collect 5 rejections, because you will be rejected many times, because not everyone will going to like you, and you will not going to like everyone, because you have to know what you are wanting. We will be blonde, we will be black, we will be, do you want to have kids straight away, do you want to have similar interests, because sometimes when you have opposite interests, the relationship is more interesting, because you are getting new knowledge and new experiences from your partner. But that depends to you, that's your choice. It's very important not to make a demo version of yourself, what you can do, how much money do you have. Just let the other people speak, be an active listener. It's much more important to listen, in other words, to say it with your words what you have understood, and if you have some chemistry, it will be mutual, but chemistry can be built, and love in a relationship can be built always. And another thing, be yourself, be not perfect, because there is no such person. If you make a mistake, you have made a mistake. Just enjoy the process and practice. Go out each week. Go out as much as you can. Yes, you meet many people, but you need to find the right one for you, and you will find it. Because when you are searching for your partner is also searching for you. And you have to enjoy the process and to give yourself time and patience. Bye. Have a nice weekend.